Good weight. Hunter, out. Barney, out. Wiley, you need help? Can you do it by yourself? Do you need help? And they stay close. You need help? You need personal attention? Good. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. There you go. We're here today because our normal area is covered in mud, and I don't want to walk through the mud, and it was raining on the way over, so I really don't want to go through the mud and have to wash everybody off. But see how everybody's willing to stay close? That's usually the first thing dogs need to do is when they come out of a car, is go to the bathroom. Let them do it safely. Your dogs will be grateful for it. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter. Who touched my car? Good boy. Ready? Go ahead. Thank you, Barney. Ready? Thank you. Okay, go. So with that, I'm actually going to just keep holding the camera. I just got to fill up their water bowl. So normally when we walk, when I'm out with my other spot, we're out walking. We got to get straight to our area before everybody else shows up. This area has frequently been used by Caltrans and other construction companies, so I can't just do this with them. What are you guys doing? And nice fresh grass. All right, lawnmowers. Hunter. You okay? Barney, over here. I don't want him over there because there's glass by that square right there. And plus, as they go down the hill, there's horses way up that way. Then there's Chrissy Field. Barney. Go ahead. Over here. Come on. You ready, Hunter? Come on. I gotta get the grass. So this gives them decompression time. So they've been in the car, they can go to the bathroom. Oh, what's the matter? You don't like being off leash? You liar. You're such a liar. You love being off leash. Hunter's choosing to be away from everybody. Good boy. Okay, go, 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 go. Good boy, Barney. Hunter. Now let's see what he does when I approach him. Does he run away or does he accept? You accept pets? Good. This is what I want to know. If he's trying to run away, then there's another need going on that I got to figure out. Are you guys ready? Hunter, let's go. Hunter, go. Barney, come on, moo cow. Wiley, come. Wiley, you want to get the ball? Yes, please. All right, let's go get the ball. So when we play with the ball, I have multiple. I will get multiple. Wrong side. Blue should be right there. Thank you, Hunter. Ready? I know I have 3. I trust these guys. I'm not worried about any ball obsessive behaviors too much with these guys. Except for Wiley a little bit. But I throw all 3. Go get it. So everybody has a chance to get one. Nobody's forced to get one. If they don't want to play, thank you, Barney. And look, Mr. I'm so excited to get a ball. I forgot to grab one. Did you not get one? Which means other needs to be met first. And Hunter didn't bring his. So that means I have to do all the work. Thank you. Good job, Hunter. Are you gonna grab them both? Yes, you are. All three, actually. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. And there's Barney over there pooping, watching. That's funny. Most of the time when dogs are going to the bathroom, they're so focused on going to the bathroom, they don't notice what else is going on around them. Thank you. Feel better? Barney. Good job. You ready? I'm going to throw too because somebody else is going to get excited. Hunter. Wiley. Good boy. Let's see how he stops. Good boy. Go get your ball. Thank you, Wiley. We're bringing the fun back to the ball. Thank you, Hunter. Hunter. Oh, sorry, Wiley. Ready? Good boy, Barney. So this is getting him off to eating the grass. This is why I'm throwing the ball here. Thank you. Good job. Ready? Hunter. Oh, good boy, Wiley. Not the dog that I wanted to listen, but that's okay. We got extras. That's why I always have extras. I always bring the extras out so I know somebody else. Oh, you're gonna get it! Oh, I'm gonna get you! Ready? I'm gonna see what happens if I throw it over the tree. Oof. Oh, you didn't find it. Come on. We're gonna make Hunter go get it. Good job, Barney. I had to go find it. Good boy, Wiley. See how he's not getting upset if Hunter has the extra ball? I got him. It's alright if you have to go get them. It's part of interacting and playing the game. And we're gonna have to load up for a minute because here comes workers. Thank you. Barney, stay close, please. I think workers are coming up slowly. I saw a truck right by the building over here. Okay, last one. Then we go potty. I got them all in my pocket. Same pocket I'm holding the phone with. Hunter? Thank you. Barney? Go get it, Barney. Wiley. Woohoo! Good boy. Let's go. Did you get him, Hunter? Whoops. Hunter, can I have one? Hunter. Thank you. Over here. Hunter. Thank you. All right. I got it, Hunter. So if he's holding one, that's a red flag. Ready, Barney? Woohoo! And I don't throw him very far either. That was a stick I stepped on. Thank you, Hunter. See, now he's over there with the ball by himself, eating grass. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter, last one. Ready? I know, Belle. Usually you come out first. What happened? And it's Friday. Usually she comes out and plays. You all right, Hunter? All right. You got one, Barney? Hunter, leave him alone. And you can tell him to leave him alone, too. You can actually say things and it'll actually mean something because not everybody's all about the ball. Good boy. Thank you. Hunter, leave it alone. Thank you. Wiley, where's your ball? Good boy, Barney. Good boy. Thank you, Hunter. That's so good. Leave him alone. Thank you. When he starts doing stuff like that, he's trying to annoy the crap out of the dog. See? He shakes it off. He's got to find something else to do. Where's your ball? I got to go find it. I got 1, 2, 3. Last one for you. Ready? Wiley. Thank you, Hunter. Do you want to go play? You want me to get you? I go get you! You guys, you want to go get Hunter? Let's go get Hunter. Roar, roar. We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Go get your butt. Go get your butt. No, there's no sticks for him to chew on either. Let's go get a stick. Hunter. That's usually his other stress reliever is a stick. Get your ball, Barney. Good boy. Ready, Hunter? Here. That's yours. There you go. See how he tried to run off? But nobody's chasing him. Thank you. I got you. Let him have it. Barney. Thank you. That's his stress reliever. He's shown me that. That's his stress reliever, so I want him to have it. I get your stick. I get your stick. Good boy. Wiley. All right, you guys, go get some water. Thank you. Come on, let's go get some water. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Barney. Wiley. Barney, I still have it. Come on. I don't want to come in. Everybody's still behind me. Nobody is listening to me right now. Told you. Barney, Wiley, Hunter. Come on, let's go get some water. Thank you, Barney. Get some water. And I leave this up because if it starts to rain, they have somewhere to go. Go ahead, you want to go up? Go ahead. Nobody's listening? Oh, you get to go by yourself? Yeah, good boy. He's stealing your ball. I got you. Thank you, Belle. I know. Your friends are out and you're not. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter's giving up and coming in. Wiley, come get some water. Hunter's not having a great day. He's confused. Thank you. I mean, it's not like he can't go run out and go potty. But he's not sure what's supposed to happen. But he knows he sees us loading up and he thinks that's what it's for. But we're not. I am just making sure nobody else comes in. But Hunter, I don't want him going that way. Wiley, stay close. Thank you, Hunter. You want to get some water, Hunter? Here. You want some? Thank you, Wiley. Good. Back up. Good. Wait. Wiley, you want to go in? You want to load up? No. I don't want to. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide so you can't see me. Good boy. Barney, out. You can come out. All done. Yeah. Thank you, Hunter. Just so I can keep him close and interested. Thank you. Where are you going? You don't love me? Hunter. Over here. Hunter. Stop. You have to go potty. You're not listening. Come on. I want you to go potty up here. Go ahead. Go potty. Go, 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 go. I'm going to take that ball away because I don't want him thinking if the ball's out, then that's what he has to play with. Thank you, Barney. Hunter, can I have it? Thank you. I want him to focus on going to the bathroom. That's it. So sometimes, even though there's choice, it's not the appropriate choice because he has to go poo. He always has to go poo within the first, when we go for a walk. And he usually runs off. He's not able to run off. And we're playing sooner. This is all total confusion. So he just needs to feel better about being able to go potty. See, look, now he's actually willing to come in and cuddle. Now that his basic needs are met, some of his basic needs, he got water and he peed. Played a little bit. Now he just needs to feel safe enough to go get water. Hold on, Wiley, stop. This is Hunter's time, so me and Wiley has to stop. Wiley, see, you ruined it. That's what happens. If you don't let him actually have that one, trust you, and hang out with you. Come here, Hunter. Good, come, Hunter. So I have to do a better job of having Wiley stay out. I got you. Wiley, stop. Good boy. Wiley, out. Hunter. You want him to go get you? Should we get you? Go get him. Okay, fine. Go get him. Get your stick. Get it. Go get it. I go get it. All right, good boy. Thank you. You can have a ball. Ready? Good boy. Get your stick. Get him, Wiley. Go get Hunter. Go get Hunter. Give it to me. Give it to me. Leave him alone. Hunter. Thank you, Barney. Ready? Wow. Wiley. See who's not going for the ball? Good job. Ow! That's what happens when you hold the treat above the dog's head. Oops. Wiley. Hunter, leave it alone. Hunter's like, oh, I saw it. Where did he go? Did you find it? Yeah, you got that one? Thank you. Do you want it? Fine. I'll make you go get it. Ready? You want to go hop over stuff? I'll make you go hop over stuff. Ready? Hunter. Hunter. I'm not throwing it that way. Come here. Hunter. Hunter, ready? See, look, he's going that way, thinking I'm going to throw it that way. You ready, Wiley? Ready? Wow. Hunter. Come here. Thank you. Hunter. Ready? I got it. Leave it alone. Hunter. There you go. Ready? Where's your ball, Wiley? Wiley. I heard voices. Maybe now he'll go poo. What happened? You wondering what we're doing? I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing. Ready? Last one. I might have to go up there and get a ball. Somebody's grave. Puppy dog's grave. Or an animal. But he's not getting the ball that he was so interested in that he had to go run a specific way. I had to keep an eye out on him. Thank you, Barney. Last one. Ready? Give me that. Thank you, Hunter. Wiley. Thank you. Ready? Thank you, Hunter. I have to go find a ball. Come on, Wiley. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. Thank you, Wiley. Can I have the ball? Let's go get some water, you guys. Hunter knows where the other ball is and he'll probably find it. Hunter is probably the smartest of the group as far as able to think. He thinks out of fear or avoidance, not even fear, just avoidance. Wiley is just happy to be out and about, so he's learning how to think a little bit better. Hunter knows when he's upset, he knows how to annoy dogs, he knows how to do things to get attention. Get some water. I see her, Hunter. Ready? Hunter. Come here. Stop. Hunter. Come on, let's load up. Wiley. Yep, pulling against. Thank you, Hunter. I'm going to take Hunter for a walk. Hold on, Hunter. Barney, where are you? Up. Wiley, come on. Up, please. Oh, you okay? I got you. There you go. Barely. Sorry. Come on, Wiley. Up. I'll help you. Wiley. Up. 2 paws. Wiley. Over here then. Right here. Come on. Ready? 2 paws. There you go. Everybody wait. Me and Hunter are going to go for a walk. Hunter. Everybody else wait. I don't know if they know. We haven't really done weight from a long distance, so we'll see what we can get Hunter to do. Ready? Let's go for... He wants one-on-one time. Good boy. Let's go. Hunter, slow down. Thank you. Now will you go potty? Here. See what he does now. See if he's more interested in us. Look, that tail is actually wagging more. There you go. I'm sure he's asking for more one-on-one time, but he's not trying to play fetch. It's okay to want time away from the group, but he's actually spent 15 minutes trying to say otherwise, that he doesn't want to do anything. See, look at his face. Look at him pant. And he hasn't done a whole lot, right? That means there's other needs at play that he's not doing. Now he's actually interacting with the ball. I can use the ball as a stress reliever. I'm okay with that. Thank you, Hunter. I don't want it to be about just the ball. Want to go for a walk? Thank you. Thank you. Hunter. Drops that ball down that hill, he's gonna go chase that. Go ahead, go potty. Go ahead. I go get your butt. I go get you. He goes back over this way. It's what I want. Could be just because there's a bush in the way and I have to go around it. I go get you. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Now you try to go around the bush and you got caught. But this helps. See how he's actually chewing the ball, keeping the ball in his mouth while we still cuddle? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. So just because he has the ball doesn't mean the game's over or I don't get to cuddle. Yeah, I see it. Good boy. I'm not making it about the ball at all. He can have it as a comfort. Good boy. Grab it. Well, come on. Let's go. What do you want to do? We got to go soon. There's a choice. That's always been a choice. That was there. I didn't pick it up. So that's a choice. You want me to get it? Yeah, really? You sit pretty? Here. Come. Come here. Oh, right on the head. Oh, don't go to the fence. Oh, good. And he's going to go to the spot that I don't want him to go to. The forbidden area. He's going to poo. He's not even focused on the ball completely. Thank you, Hunter. But he didn't make the choice to go over there. Thank you. Okay, last one. So I really want you on this side over here. Ready? Send it far enough out. On his way back, maybe he'll decide he has to poo. Or decide he'd rather go all the way up the hill. Those are choices. When Hunter has to go poo, he'll decide. Good boy. I'm gonna go get Belle and Blue. Belle. She's gotta go potty. Look at her play. Go get him. I want cookies too. Thank you, Hunter. See how he's chewing more? Now he's more excited. Maybe with this extra stimulation, he'll go poo. So when they try to predict me, I just throw it straight up. Good job. Good. Gotta use a thinner leash because it actually has a clip on it that works. Stop. Slow down. I guess you're not completely banned, but your butt's expanded, so you gotta go poo. Go potty, Belle. I need him to go poo, which he almost always does. Maybe that's the confusing part, is he's not going. That's the part that's throwing me off, is the fact that he's not going poo. But he's tired. Look at that face. That's a pretty, very tired face. He's looking at the truck, though. Blue just peed. Come on. Let's go left. Thank you. What I'm going to do now is I know Blue has to poo for sure, and he will. So I'm going to keep Hunter off of Blue. Hunter. Sorry, Blue. Leave him alone, please. Hi, Belle. See how Blue does that and then runs away? Thank you. Thank you, Hunter. Maybe he didn't see anybody else poo, so I don't know. Belle, stay close. I like the fact that Blue will match for a second and then run away. It's up to me to make the other dog stop. You see, he has to go poo. I don't know if he's in the camera. Well, whatever. Thank you, Hunter. Are you creeping up on me, you creepy bastard? Good boy, Blue. Did you go potty, Belle? Thank you, Hunter. Blue, come here. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's go load up. Did you just try to bull into him? Come on, Blue. Let's go load up. Get some water. Get some water. All right, let's load up. Go. Hold on. All right, last potty break. Anybody wait? Barney, go. Wiley. You need help? Okay, ready? Go, 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 go. Is that your little buddy? Okay, go. Hi, Hunter. Oh, I lost my ball. Ready? Go. 1, 2, and then Hunter lost my other ball up there. I'll bring Barney, or I'll bring Wiley. God damn it, I'll bring Bailey out later. She'll find it for me. Or Barney. I mean Durant. Let's go. Go potty. Hunter. Thank you. We're done. Go potty. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Hi, Belle. Thank you. Thank you. 30 minutes of this. That's it. Go. I don't care. Thank you. Good off. Wiley, good off. Thank you, Barney. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Hunter. All right, you guys ready? Let's load up. Nobody's following me again. Look at these sad ass dogs. I don't want to load up. Ready? Wiley. Thank you, Wiley. Thank you, Hunter. Ready? Go ahead. Up. Hunter. Up. Good boy. Thank you. Good job. He doesn't know this is an escape, and eventually he will. Hi, sad babies. Ready? Wiley. Oh, thank you, Barney. Up. Up. Good. Up. Wait. Wiley. Oh, man. I don't want to go home. See? Wait means do whatever you want. Just don't cross the line. Come on, Wiley. Come on, Wiley. Thank you. Ready? Up. Wiley. Up. I'll help you. Come on. Up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Ready? I got you. Wiley. Up. There you go. Everybody wait. It's really funny, Belle. I'm taking all Belle's friends away. Thank you. Everybody wait. I gotta put the lid. Goes back here. Water. Goes back here. You can have some more. See, wait. He can stand back up. Put this back over here. Sorry, Wiley. Belle, let's go, please. Let's go load up. Thank you. Ready? I'll help you. Let me fix your bed for you. There you go. Up. I got you, bud. There you go. And we're done. Good. 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 And wait. Everything else is gone. See how Barney can move? It's not a stay. Oops. I can wait. This is Scott with Second to No One Canine Life Coaching. Have a great day.